This video tutorial I will explain encryption in Amazon SQS. What is Amazon SQS? Amazon SQS is a service provided by AWS. Amazon SQS allows you to send, store and receive messages between software components in a distributed system. Amazon SQS helps to decouple the components of an application and enabling them to communicate asynchronously. Why encryption is needed? Encryption ensures that data in your messages is protected and cannot be read by unauthorized parties. This is crucial for maintaining the confidentiality and integrity of your data, especially when you deal with sensitive information. Now we will see Amazon SQS encryption. Amazon SQS offers encryption to secure your data both in transit and at rest. First we will see encryption at rest. Encryption at rest protects your data while the data is stored in the queues. When you enable encryption at rest for SQS queue, the service uses AWS Key Management Service to encrypt the message body and any message attributes before storing the messages. AWS KMS manages the keys and handles the encryption and decryption processes. Next, we will see encryption in transit. Encryption in transit protects your data as the data travels from one point to another point. Amazon SQS automatically uses HTTPS protocol to encrypt the messages as the messages move between your applications and SQS queues. This ensures that data is secure during the transmission. Now we will see how to set up Amazon SQS encryption. The step 1 is creating a KMS key. For that, go to AWS Management Console, navigate to AWS Key Management Service, then create a new key or use an existing key. Second step is enabling encryption for a queue. When create a new SQS queue or updating an existing SQS queue, you can enable encryption by selecting the KMS key you created. This can be done through AWS Management Console or AWS CLI or AWS SDKs. Here you can see create queue page of Amazon SQS. And here you can see encryption section. By default, Amazon SQS provides in-transit encryption. To add at-rest encryption to your queue, then you have to enable server-side encryption. Here you can select server-side encryption enabled or disabled. If you select enabled, then you have to select encryption key type. You can select Amazon SQS key. It is an encryption key that Amazon SQS creates, manages and uses for you. Or you can select AWS Key Management Service key. It is an encryption key protected by AWS Key Management Service. Now we will see benefits of using Amazon SQS encryption. First point is data protection. Ensures that your data is protected from unauthorized access. Second point is compliance. Helps to meet regulatory and compliance requirements for data security. Third point is integration with AWS services. Seamlessly integrates with other AWS services like CloudTrail for auditing and monitoring. Here we will see the example scenario. Imagine you have an application that processes the orders for an online store. When customer places an order, the order details are sent as a message to the SQS queue. By enabling encryption, you ensure that these order details are securely stored and transmitted. These order details might include sensitive customer information and protecting sensitive customer information from potential security threats. Now we will see the conclusion. Amazon SQS encryption is a powerful feature that enhances the security of your messaging system. By understanding and implementing encryption, you can ensure that your data is safeguarded and meeting both security standards and compliance requirements. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.